What's up, people? Good afternoon. How have you been? Today's been a busy day. Been shopping around for parts because this car has been neglected for a while. Even at whenever I would go to Kajiado, I wasn't really enjoying the drive because the suspension had gone tits up. So I got my parts. One of them was the front arms, steering arms, the large ones, because this car has two. There's the upper and lower one. I was buying the upper one that I got my trailing bushing, and thought it would be a good idea if I changed my air filter, so I got another one. They're all here. Those two blue boxes you can see there, and that brown paper bag has the air filter and the trailing and bushing. So on Monday or something like that, I'll take the car to Evans. I know this is going to be a hard job because of those rear trailing arms. They are going to really have to remove them and take them to be pressed so that the bushing can enter. But the arms is a straightforward job. I think that takes around 30 minutes, both sides. Yeah, so that's it. Let's take the car to Evans. What's up, guys? How you doing? This is day 2. We're going to Evans' place to fit these control arms and the rear bushings and the air filter, because right now my car feels very odd when it does that. It's the suspension is not feeling so hot. So let's get to it. Well, guys, she seems to be thirsty. Yep, she is thirsty. Luckily there's a petrol station up ahead. You know that feeling you get if you own a car that's above 2000 cc? You always seem to spend a lot of time at a petrol station filling up. Yep, I got the same feeling too. Yaje?
Poa.
Kofiti?
Ndio.
2000.
2000.
Here we are. Eurotech Auto Services.
Gotta relax.
This is Earth Radio. And now here's human music.
Human music. I like it.